Assalamualaikum, I'm Arief Danial, and today my group and I will be presenting our report on an operating system's user experience and accessibility. As we know, operating systems are an important part of a PC, as it is required in order to run the programs in our computers, as well as controlling resource allocation in order to efficiently run processes. An operating system also should be easy to use and in order to ensure user satisfaction and productivity. This is why a proper user experience or UX is required to fulfill this purpose. UX is the user's experience when interacting with a product or a service. This includes an operating system. For our report, the OS that we have chosen for evaluation of the user experience is Windows 10. Windows 10 is one of the more recent versions of Windows, released in July 2015 as a successor to Windows 8. It has received general praise by the public, and it still is used widely today despite the release of its successor, Windows 11, which is why we chose this OS for our report. There are many parts that make up the user experience when interacting with a product, namely an operating system. Among them will be discussed in this report, which is interface, convenience, customization, security, and support. First of all is the interface. Just like Windows 8, Windows 10 provides a simplistic GUI, which consists of simply icons and windows with simple colors and graphics. Here is a comparison between Windows 10 and Windows 7, which uses more detailed windows and graphics for the icons. Just like previous Windows versions, Windows 10 comes with a taskbar that contains the start menu, pin programs, and status check on the right side. Now, as a new addition, Windows 10 has a search bar which users can use to either look for programs in storage or look for information on the internet without opening up a web browser. Also, the Windows 10 start menu comes with a tile-based interface in which programs or software will come in tiles that users can group together or resize according to their preferences. In addition, Windows 10 also provides a tablet mode which allows for more touchscreen friendly interface in order for touch screen devices such as tablets to use Windows 10 easily. Secondly, for convenience, Windows 10 allows for many ways the user can interact with the interface. For example, users can navigate to the GUI using either the keyboard or mouse. The File Explorer program also has a quick access section which allows for quickly accessing recently opened files or programs. There are also search bars in various places for users to find files or settings, such as in the File Explorer or the settings function or the search bar on the taskbar. As for customization, Windows 10 also, like other Windows version, provides the personalization menu, which users can allow various changes to how the UI looks, such as the desktop background or the color of the windows and icons, and maybe even the fonts and the size of the text displayed. For security, Windows 10 provides a built-in antivirus known as Windows Defender that can be used to either monitor the device's health or check or protect against any malicious programs or software such as viruses. Windows 10 also provides some access protection by requiring user-based passwords in order to access the OS. Windows 10 also added Windows Hello, which can be used to add more access protection by having biometric recognition, such as facial recognition or fingerprint recognition. And finally, for support, Windows 10 provides a built-in support system through the Get Help function, which users can use and try to type in any questions that they have regarding the OS or its functions, and it will return any relevant information in order to help the user.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafiq Aiman bin S.Shamsuddin from class 3B. Today I would like to present for you guys the strength, weakness and improvement to usability for Windows 10. As we know, Windows 10 is known for its robust feature and performance. And let's explore the main strength that contribute to its popularity. The first strength is fast startup times. Windows 10 offer a quick startup times, ensuring user can begin their tasks without a delay and enhancing overall productivity. The second strength is multitasking capabilities. The operating systems support efficient multitasking supports efficient multitasking, allowing the users to run multiple programs at the same times with minimal performance loss. A third, simple and customizable UI. The user interface is both simple and highly customizable, which will boost user productivity and especially will boost user satisfaction. Next, wide range and software support. Wide range of software supports as a Windows 10, as a Windows operating system. It provides the broadest range of software compatibilities, far exceeding that of Mac operating systems or Linux. The fifth strength is tablet-based interface. Windows 10 can fish. As we know, Windows 10 can switch to a tablet-based interface. It will making it will make user-friendly interface for touchscreen device. And the last strength is enhanced security. Windows Defenders in Windows 10 offers improved security feature, providing the better protection compared to the previous version of Windows. Even Windows 10 is a popular operating system. It has several drawbacks affecting usability. Uh, the weakness of Windows 10 is first pre-installed application. It has unnecessary pre-installed application that will clutter and slow down the system. Next, complex settings and control panels. It is because having a both settings menu and control panel will be confusing for some users. Third, privacy concerns. Data collection practice will raise a lot of privacy issues like data leakage for a user. The fourth weakness is frequent update. Frequent update will disrupt productivity and cause compatibility issues for the user. And the last weakness for Windows 10 is accessibility limitation. Accessibility features in Windows 10 is lag behind the others operating system, and it will affecting users, especially users with disabilities. To make Windows 10 more user-friendly, several key improvements can be made, such as reduce unnecessary applications, like allow user to decide whether to install pre-installed app during a setup for a cleaner system. Second, simplify the settings and control panel. Like combines, we can combine the setting menu and control panel into a single user interface. Next, enhance privacy control. Uh, provides more transparent and granular privacy settings to give the user better control over their data. The fourth improvement is improve update management. like offer more control over installation times and allow delaying non-critical updates to reduce disruption. The fifth is expand accessibility features, like we can enhance screen reader, voice control, and customizable interface for the user with, especially for the user with disabilities. And the last improvements is improve search speeds and accuracy, and allow user to prioritize search result. This kind of improvements will help user for a better performance and experience.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Shaman. I'll be presenting about accessibility features in operating systems. In this part specifically, we will be discussing about features in Windows 10, the weakness, and the way to improve them. Firstly, what is accessibility? Accessibility is the built-in features that allow you to alter and customize the settings to match your vision, hearing, mobility, language, and learning needs. So why is accessibility important? Accessibility ensures equal access to information, interactions, and services for all, regardless of disability, ensuring equal educational benefits and treatment in technology use. Accessibility features in Windows 10. There are three features that will be discussed in this presentation. Firstly is Narrator, a screen reader that provides auditory output for on-screen content. Second is Speech Recognition. This enables users to control the computer using voice commands. And finally, Magnifier. This enables you to zoom in on parts of your display. So in the following slides, we will be discussing about the weakness and the way to improve all these features. Weakness of narrator. There are two main weaknesses for narrator that we can conclude from our research. Firstly is limited compatibility, and second is abbreviation issues and annoying announcements. For limited compatibility, we found that narrator faces challenges in non-Microsoft applications and complex applications due to the absence of a virtual cursor and intricate interfaces. Secondly, abbreviation issues and annoying announcements. The narrative screen reading frequently uses acronyms and abbreviations, which can be annoying. It also makes unthought out announcements about tick boxes, making it frustrating to hear only important information. 4 ways to improve narrator. First, enhance application compatibility. Improved narrator compatibility is crucial for enhancing app engagement and enabling users to access online content more effectively across various browsers. Second, refine announcement system. Intelligent filtering can enhance user experience by reducing unwanted announcements and providing customization options for more individualized choices. Third, address abbreviation issues. The narrator's accuracy can be improved by utilizing contextual abbreviation interpretation algorithms and enabling users to create their own abbreviation dictionaries. Finally, expand customization. Microsoft can enhance narrative's functionality by providing customizable voice, pace, pitch, and punctuation options, ensuring continuous improvement through regular accessibility testing and user feedback loops. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Haikal, and I will present about a witness magnifier. First is blocked by always on top application. This is a major issue for application like installer that use a static background image. The magnifier gets stuck behind the image, making it unusable. While a workaround exists, activating from the start menu, it cumbersome as the magnifier disappear when interacting with settings. Second is start menu tracking issues. Magnifiers struggle with some menus, especially when there are many programs installed. These menus might overlap the magnify area. It also does track the main start menu option at all. 4 ways to improve magnifier. Always on top option of for magnifier. Implement an always on top option for magnifier, similar to other application. In ensure it remains visible even when underlying application element use bitmaps. Second is improve menu handling. Enhance magnifier ability to handle overlapping menus. This could involve automatic adjustment to the magnification window or option to prioritize specific element. Third is accessibility API for custom application. Development and accessibility API for custom application. This will allow developer to ensure their application are compatible with magnifier and other associative technical. Lastly, context-aware magnifier focus. Implement a context-aware magnifier focus system. This could involve automatically adjusting magnification and focus based on user instruction, such as mouse movement, keyboard input, or application context. Weakness of speech recognition. Noise interference. Noise environment pose a significant obstacle for speech recognition system. Background noise, such as traffic, conversation, or even mechanical sounds can interface with the system ability to accurately capture and process spoken words. This interference can lead to error transcription, misunderstanding, and frustration for user. Accent and dialect variation. Accent, dialect, and regional variation in pronunciation also present challenge for speech recognition system. The system are often trained on specific accent and dialect, making it difficult to accurately recognize speech from individual with different linguistic background. These are ways to improve speech recognition. First is mitigating noise interference. To mitigate the impact of noise, advanced noise cancellation technique are essential. This algorithm can isolate speech from background disturbance, enhancing the system ability to accurately capture spoken words. Second is addressing accent and direct variation. Addressing accent and dialect variation require a multificate approach, expanding training data set and encompass a wider range of accent and dialect is crucial for improving recognition accuracy. Lastly, enhancing overall accuracy. Hybrid approach such as combining acoustic model with natural network can improve overall accuracy. Even though Windows 10 has come a long way in implementing accessibility features, most notably with narrator and magnifier, there is still room for development to guarantee that every user has a fully inclusive computing experience. Despite its functionality, narrator has issue with accuracy, interoperability, and user experience. Its usability can only be improved by addressing abbreviation difficulties, improving the announcement system, and extending its capabilities to include a wider range of applications. Similar to this, magnifier might use some always on top functionality, better menu management, and enhanced compatibility with custom program. Even if it does a good job of a basic magnification, it will take some constant research, development, and user feedback to make a computer more accessible. Operating system can be better serve the needs of user with disabilities by addressing the shortcoming and putting the suggested improvement into a practice. This will encourage the inclusion and equitable access to technology. The ultimate objective to this development and operating system that all user, regardless of ability, can use. That all from us. Thank you.